left side.
Well, this way. Hold it, you guys. I thought I heard something.
Yeah, this is Pete the plumber. Oh, sure thing, Pac-Man. I'll be right over.
How'd you guys like to do a little pack plumbing?
I don't know, Clyde. We ain't very good at fixing leaks.
Who said anything about fixing leaks? We're gonna start some on Pac-Man.
Come on, let's go!
Well, it's about time you got here. Hey, what happened to Pete?
He got his head caught in a chopping machine. I mean washing machine.
That's right. Where is new plumber's helpers?
Shoo! Keep away from me!
Hey, you're not pack plumbers.
No, we're Pack Chompers.
Let's get him, guys.
Plungers away!
Any last words before we chomp ya?
Just one.
Oh, looks like we have company. Care for a snack, fellas?
No blanks. No thanks. We're allergic to power pellets.
Yeah, we break out in eyes.
Well, I'm sure they won't mind if we have a snack. Right, Packy?
Nah, they wouldn't mind a bit.
Pack power!
Let me out of here. Say, you'd make a great hiding place.
Oh, yeah? Well, I got a better idea. I'll hide under you.
Whoa, hey, I ain't staying on the outside.
I know.
Looks like Big Pinky's gonna get Little Pack Shrimp this time.
Oh, yeah? Well, don't count your chickens before they're chomped.
Snug as a bug in a rug under here.
My, sure must be filthy under there. Yeah!
You know, if my memory serves me, there's a great Packenstein movie on right now. Always was one of my favorite flicks.
I better find this sink before I'm sunk.
Oh, Pac-Man Rooter, that's my name. And away goes Blinky down the drain. Well, what do you know? I fixed the sink.
Serves those ghost monsters right, dropping in without calling first.
Gosh, you know, I suddenly don't feel so well, Pepper.
Oh, what's the matter, Packy?
Oh, I think it's my chompers.
Well, it pays to be safe. I'm taking you to the hospital. Chomp, Chomp, keep an eye on Pac Baby. He's taking a nap.
That no-good pack rat can't chomp us and get away with it.
Sure he can. He does it all the time.
Who asked you?
Hey, where's Blinky?
I probably saw his shadow and took off for the hills.
We interrupt this broadcast to bring you this special bulletin.
Hey, we weren't listening to no broadcast.
In that case, I'm interrupting you, so shut up. Pac-Man has just been admitted to the Pac-Land Hospital with a bad case of the Chomps. Stay tuned for more information.
Did you hear that? Pac-Man must have chomped us so hard he hurt his chompers.
What do you say we go down to the hospital and pay him our respects?
But we ain't got no respect for Pac-Man.
That's exactly what I mean.
like you've got chompitis, Pac-Man. I'm afraid you'll have to cut down on the chomping for a while.
Oh, but chomping the ghost monsters is my job. I can't stop.
That's precisely why I'm going to prescribe a session with the hospital pachiatrist before I give you a thorough physical examination. Dr. Hackensaw's office is right down the hall. He's waiting for you now.
Did you hear that? Pac-Man's gonna visit the head shrinker.
Oh, yeah? Well, we're much better qualified to shrink his head than some old pachiatrist.
Let's do it.
We shrunk the head shrinker.
See you later, Doc.
There. You look perfect.
Dr. Hackensaw?
Welcome, Pac-Man. Come right in. So tell me, what is the problem?
Well, I don't know. I guess I just can't stop chomping on the ghost monster.
Sounds interesting.
Say, you sure look a lot like a ghost monster I know.
Tisk, tisk, tisk. You've obviously got inflammation of the imagination. Do you often imagine you are being chased by these ghost monsters?
Oh, no. Well, now that you mention it...
I thought so. Pac paranoia is your problem.
Oh, no, that's silly. I was...
Pac-Man, we're ready for your physical examination.
Shucks, we just missed him.
How long has this problem been troubling you? Ow!
Cut the clowning and let's get that Pac-Punk.
You can go right in, Pac-Man. The doctor will be with you in a minute.
Pinky, hide behind that X-ray machine.
Come right in, Pac-Man.
Hey, you know, I think Dr. Hackensaw was right. I must be Pac-paranoid. Even you two look like ghost monsters to me.
Us? Ghost monsters? Isn't that silly?
Nah, that ain't silly at all. In fact, it's real serious. I think we better X-ray his brain immediately. Oops, almost forgot. The X-ray machine is busted.
Say, wasn't that,
No, of course not.
Oh, okay.
Seeing things again, are ya? I think we better check out your eyes.
Pinky, Blinky, Clyde. Did you hear something? Gee, I must really be sick. I could have sworn I just swallowed a ghost monster.
Ah, don't be ridiculous. Why, there ain't a ghost monster within 6 miles. Better let me check your heart. You're getting kind of jumpy. Take a deep breath, Pac-Man.
Whatever you say, Doc. Uh-oh. I think I'm starting to hallucinate. I could have sworn that I... Nah.
Better check that chomper of yours. Say ah.
Ah!
Oh, my gosh.
Nurse, where'd she go?
She, just went to get a new suit.
Oh, boy. I sure am jumpy.
Don't worry, I'll just check your blood pressure.
Hey, that's tight.
The tighter the better, Pac nerd.
Clyde!
Yeah, and now I'm gonna give you a real case of the Chomps. The ghost Chomps.
Yay!
I've got good news for you, Pac-Man. This X-ray I took of you indicates you don't have chompitis after all.
Oh, well then, what have I got?
What you've got is ghostitis.
Well, Pepper, I'm feeling better already.
I guess you haven't seen the bill yet.
Well, you... Oh, no! Oh.
Looking for a rugged flashlight? Get up to 6,000 lumens of brilliant